G'day Shakers and Groovers, how you going? We are on the way to my warehouse. So today we're going to do something fun. Let's begin the unboxing. Yeah! Oh, first, I've got to set up the unboxing temporary studio. Time lapse! Okay, well here we are for the unboxing of an amazing new lens. Now, as you know, I was looking for the A7 III, still waiting for that one. I decided to get a good all-rounder lens to go with it. What was that lens? Well, we're going to unbox it right here and now. Here it is. Boom! It's the FE 24-105 f4 stabilized G Master. That means it's good. Let's unbox. Here we go. Orange, of course. As you can see, I do like orange. I've got it on my phone, and oh god, I'm getting a bit old. And you can see I like it on my shoe as well. Anyway, there we go. Not very important. So yes, orange box, off to a great start. Love an orange box. Here we go. We've got some plastic manuals. Love a good manual. Yep, can't go wrong with manuals. So yes, whilst we unbox this, of course, we're here in my impromptu unboxing studio here at my warehouse. Plastic bag, highly protective, fake leather thingy-me-what's. It's not really bags. More plastic, more bubble wrap, bubble, 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 and boom, there it is, the gorgeous 24 to 105, we'll do it this way, 24 zoom 105, as we can see here. Yep, so 24 105 f4 optical stabilized G Master. We can see it's got autofocus, manual focus, and we can see it has stabilization on and off. What a lovely lens. Now, I have thrown a Manfrotto. Who knew Manfrotto made filters? I think that's a relatively new thing. 77mm is the filter size for this little beastie. And so there it is, pumped and excited. So, this is it. Here's the A7R, the original, the 2013 model, purchased in 2013 because it had the same sensor as the Nikon D800. At the time I had the D800E. I was excited. I was excited about the D800E. And I thought, wow, look how tiny this is. I can use this as my everywhere camera. Everywhere camera, got a little lens, perfect. But of course, no zoom, no optical stabilization. Let's have a look. We've got a battery, we've got a card, we're going to record. Record. There's a picture coming out of it. Off to a great start. Okay, so what do I love about this lens? Well, what I've learned from a tiny bit of usage is, and let's just pop it down, I might turn it off, save that battery, you never know when an emergency vlog might need to happen. So what have I learned about this lens and why is it fantastic for me, someone who's got an A7R? An original A-series full-frame Sony from 5 years ago. Well, I've noticed the focus on this lens is way faster than the focus on this lens, way faster. I've also got optical image stabilization, and that is very helpful. So I don't so urgently need my A7 III. Of course, there's things that the A7 III does that this does not do. 4K, 125 frames per second, and of course it's got the in-body optical stabilization. So I can use this lens and still have stabilized shots. But now it's not the end of the world that camera is taking a little while to get here, and I'm super excited about it. So there's the unboxing. Love an orange box, not much to it. Costs around $2,000 in this country, this lens. Happened to get it on sale, so it was a little bit cheaper. Got about 10% off that. I'm really pumped to show you what it looks like for vlogging and for stills. So this week, time permitting, I'm going to get out, take some shots, and I'll show you a little bit of how that ended up working out. So thank you for joining me for the Sony G-Master, the Sony G-Master 24-105 f4 unboxing. It was good, wasn't it? It was a great unboxing. We've learned more about the lens. So thank you so much for watching.
And please tell me your 24-105 stories. Do you like a medium super zoom? Do you have one? Do you have one maybe on a different brand of camera, a Nikon or a Canon? I'd love to hear all about it. Let me know below.
Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already, please do. Thank you for liking. Shwing! And of course, please share. Sharing makes us all smarter, and that can't be a bad thing, can it? And I will see you next time. Take it easy. Let's go do some vlogging. Maybe I'll just start here, record, and there we go. Off we go. Fly me to the moon. I want to swing amongst the stars. Let me know what life looks like on Jupiter and Mars. And there we have it.